It's sent a homework paper. It's 3 pages long. It's for the kids to have it done by this coming Wednesday. But anyways, we'll start with the first question in it. So number 1, the question is 517 divided by 7. This equation can be translated to this: 7 outside, 517 inside. Okay, so I've taught the kiddos basic stuff so far, so this may be a little too complicated for them. For this assignment, they will be allowed to use calculators, but they have to show their work. So how I do it is the long division format. We do this number that's on the outside divided by each number, and then progressively gets longer. For example, for the first step, we will say 7 inside of 5. We know that 7 is a bigger number than 5, so it will not fit. So we can put a 0 here. Now then we do 7 inside of 51. If you know your multiples, and if you don't, it's fine. We can do this method over here, which it will take long, but it'll help out. So 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, times 3 is 21, times 4 is 28, times 5 is 35, times 6 is 42, times 7 is 49, and times 8 is 56. So we know 49 can fit inside 51. 56, it's much bigger than 51, so we'll cross this out. So how many times can this 7 fit inside 51? If you know your multiples, we know that this 7 can fit inside 51 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So that's what we put here. 7 can fit inside 51 7 times. So now the next step is to figure out what this 7 times this 7 is. We already have the answer here. It's 49. We'll put the 49 down here. 51 is going to subtract 49. And we know that the answer to this would be 2. We're not done yet. Division is a very long process, and I understand that, which is why it's still complicated for the kiddos. This method does take a while, but it's pretty much the fastest of the other 2 or 3 methods that I know of. But anyways, this 7 here, the 7 inside 517, we're going to bring it down, and it'll go next to the 2. Now, instead of figuring out how many times this 7 goes inside 517, all we have to figure out is how many times this 7 goes inside 27. We have our multiples over here. 7 times 1, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, and then 7 times 4 is 28. We know that 28 is bigger than 27, so we'll ignore that. But we do know that 21 is smaller, so it does fit inside 27. So how many times can this 7 fit inside this 27? 1, 2, 3. It can fit in there at least 3 times. So we'll put a 3 up here. Okay. We're not done yet. So what we did last time was we did 7 times 7. This time we're going to do 3 times 7. 3 times 7, we already know is 21. So we'll put it in the bottom here, and we're going to subtract it. 2 minus 2 is 0, 7 minus 1 is 6. We don't have to put any number up here anymore because there's nothing else to divide. So this 6 will be our remainder. So our answer is going to be 73 with a remainder of 6. That is our answer. Please go over the video several times. If you need to, pause it at any point. If you need more explanations, message me. I'm more than happy to help. Take care, y'all. God bless.